Hello everyone, we're back with another video. In this video we're going to be talking about Instagc. Instagc is a survey site / get paid to site. So you can take surveys and do various tasks to get paid, like watch videos, take surveys, and do offers. Now right here you guys see the offer walls that they have. And I'm gonna basically tell you what you can do to get paid on here. Okay? So right here we have Instagc. This is the main provider. You can click on that just to see what's in there, and basically shows you all the surveys. Now it has your surveys. Remember I said that your surveys is a really great one. You guys really want to try it. You really should try it. Okay, if you're going to do email submits, a really thing you need to understand, create an email only for email submits. So only these type of spam, these notifications will be going to your email. And make sure that when you do an email submit and you want to do another one, you come back, you clear your history, you refresh the page, you sign out, sign back in, and then do a whole new email submit with the same email. But you have to refresh your page, you have to clear your history, clear your cookies, whatever you want to call it, and do that before doing another email submit. It will not work if you just try to come back and then redo it again. You have to clear your history, sign out, sign back in, because it's going to automatically sign you out when you clear the history. It's going to automatically sign you out. So you make sure you clear the history, sign out, sign back in, and then do a whole new email submit. That's how the email submits work. That's the first thing you want to do. Surveys is another one. Your surveys is a good one. But if you guys would like to get do surveys that are worth your time, I highly recommend Tap Research and Theorem Reach because they give out disqualification points. Tap Research is a good one. They give out a lot of points, and Theorem Reach gives out 1 point per survey that you do. So if they have like 10 surveys, you get 1 point. That's 10 points per survey. 10 points for doing that. So you see here the cash out is $5. Let me show you that really quick. Okay, gift card store, the rewards. Okay, let's see. So basically, we have Bitcoin, direct deposit, and PayPal, or Visa gift card. Now you see, I've cashed out 4 times on this site. Started in 2017, cashed out 3 times, cashed out in June, July, December of 2017, and again April 25th of 2018. I haven't really been working this site, you guys, so I have tons of get paid to sites and survey sites. I try to keep up with all of them, but I try to just take a day and do some stuff on all of them. Right now my balance is 95 points and 29 cents. So this is equivalent to 95 cents, basically. Once I get to 500 points, it's $5. Now, in order for you to get PayPal, you have to cash out in other gift cards. You must redeem $50 in other cash rewards or gift cards. So you have to get up to 5,000 points to cash out $50 in other cash rewards or gift cards. So you will not be able to redeem from PayPal until you've cashed out 5,000 points in other cash rewards or gift cards. So you can cash out a $5,000 $50 gift card with Amazon. Let's go see if they actually have Amazon for $50. See here. Yeah, they do. They have an Amazon gift card here for 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $50. So if you came on here and you cashed out 5,000 points from Amazon, which is equivalent to $50, you would be able to unlock the PayPal. So you'd have to cash out 5,000 points from one of these other gift cards or cash rewards to unlock PayPal. Now you can do direct deposit like I did. I did direct deposit because it takes 3 days. So that's something you might want to, remember. It takes 3 days, 1 to 3 business days to process. So 1 to 3 business days, you'll get it like on day 4. Okay, so that's something you guys want to remember when you're doing Instagc. And you can also watch videos on here as well. You can do Hideout TV. Since Hideout TV, you can actually sign up for the rewards program and link this account, your Prize Rebel account, and your Swagbucks account, and you guys can withdraw points. Whenever you watch videos, it racks up points. You can redeem those points either into your Prize Rebel account, your Instagc account, or your Swagbucks account. So that's just a little another tip you guys want to remember. And here it says I have 4 referrals. I've completed 654 offer of completions I've done. Things I've completed, 654. I have 95 cents total. Okay. So that's it, you guys. You guys can do whatever you want on here. I just told you what I do. I do the videos and I do the surveys. I do tap research and I do theorem reach. Your surveys I did, but I don't qualify for those surveys consistently because your surveys is not a survey provider that I use consistently. I use tap research and theorem reach more. So most likely, the more you use a certain survey provider, the more you're going to be able to qualify and complete the survey and get points for it. So since I use tap research on a consistent basis, I have more likely to qualify and complete a survey with tap research, just because I constantly use tap research. Theorem reach I don't use as much as I use tap research, but theorem reach is a good one. You guys get 1 point every time per survey you disqualify from. So those are things to think about. Remember, if you guys want PayPal on here, you have to cash out in other gift card reward or cash rewards 5,000 points. So once you withdraw 5,000 points from another from either gift card or cash rewards, you'll be able to unlock PayPal. Or in the meantime, I would do direct deposit so you guys won't have to miss out on getting paid. Or you can do Bitcoin, whichever one suits you. But 500 points is $5 on here, and I have not been on here in a while, so you know. But that's all I wanted to talk about. Instagc is a great survey site. I've cashed out a lot on here. It's really worth it. When you have a routine and you know what to do, and you can teach others what to do, it works. Okay, you guys see I have 4 referrals, and this site's not hard to work. You just have to get a routine going. You have to pick what you want to do on here and do that every time you come on here. Only do that. I only do theorem reach surveys, tap research surveys, and watch the videos. And I also do clicks. Show you what that is real quick. One second here. So clicks, before I end the video, you basically have Instagc clicks. So what you do is you click on this, let it open, and let it stay open 1 to 2 minutes, and you will be credited. So you get 5 points for each of these, 5 cents. Right now, it's up 5 cents. I would highly recommend to do it right now because this is 5 cents. You just click on it, let it open up in a new tab, let it sit there for 1 to 2 minutes, and then once it credits you, you close it, do the next one, do the next one, do the next one. It's easy. That's what I normally do the first thing I come on here. When I come on the site, that's normally the first thing I do is I do my clicks. The clicks those are points too. So I know you guys think it's silly, but truthfully speaking, clicks are what get you sometimes the most of your points and get you to your cash out faster. So do your clicks, do your surveys, and watch your videos. Like I said, you guys can develop your own routine. That's just my routine, and I'm just telling you it because it's the easiest one that works for me. So if you're interested in Instagc, I will leave the link below, and thank you guys for watching this video.